Hey guys, it's right back here again. Today I'm going to be messing with slime. Hands are dry cracked. Are my hands dry and cracked? Mess with some slime. So, if you guys want to know how to make this stuff, so what you have to do is, well, earlier today I went to my class and then got a blue slime. I don't know where it went. I threw it over there.
I left on him.
Take a look at this slime.
I was way out on him. About 300-400 foot down. My car popped and shot a big flame out of it and dropped the cylinder, and that's how Chuck got him.
I saw him pedaling, so I made my move. I wasn't sure I was going to have enough room. But I passed him right before the finish line.
We were at Michael's door so to actually make it, but they changed it where we just put ingredients into the stuff. Me and my mom, we got 3 hours of it, and then we just screwed it. We just let this, we throw that to the side, and then this one, we have the 3 hours glue. We got some contact. I got some contact solution and red food coloring. So yeah, we got red food coloring.
Country wants a piece of us.
So yeah, we got 3 hours glue with the big cases. We put them into a bowl, make sure they're all emptied out. Next, we're gonna have to mix. Crap, I have to do next. Get some red food coloring, mix it in with the Elmer's glue, or get any food coloring you like. Get any food coloring you like, and then mix it in together. And then after that,
I reveal my big plan. Take back the
you're gonna need contact solution with it too. And make sure it's not gonna be that big white ball. Make sure it's in like a green box. In a green small box about probably this big. And then use that to make it less sticky. Nothing, just wet. Because the contact solution. Probably bubble. Okay, oh yeah, mix it together with the food coloring and everything. After that, make sure it's all bolted together and you're good.
Well, looks like pro. Throw that out there. Sent me a few messages so they could heard about my little accident that I had. He says that this is my next race car, 68 fiber-ish. All carbon fiber body.
That is a race car.
Well, that's what I'm doing. I might as well race one.
That's ridiculous.
A few weeks ago, I was in the worst wreck of my life. I totaled my car and I haven't been able to get something.
Watch that shit.
Now, Doc is number one. All I can think about, I'm still a little shaken up.
It is a yo-yo.
Back into a car and back up that list. Built this car for like 2 years. Doesn't have a motor training. It's an impulse car. So I gotta go.
Oh, that's cold.
See if I jive with the
That's
race car.
cold.
Other than it being blue,
Oh, that's cold.
It's really blue.
I feel like
Dude, this is colder on my neck. Dad.
It's really pretty blue. It's pretty blue. It's a pretty blue.
This is colder on my neck.
Blue.
Here, feel on
No, I'm not following you.
No, it is cool. Wow.
That's how
Kill this slime no matter what. We're gonna slam it.
so wrapped up in it, and then when something happens, you're just devastated. It took you so long. So much your heart and soul.
Don't feel too much.
Sometimes I'm just trying to smack it on the table. This is so weird.
Ever since I met you, you have one goal, and that was to
How's this
raise
so
the
close?
robot.
Alright, well, I'm gonna look at it.
Oh,
You see this guy
secret.
press
It doesn't
really
work.
really quick.
Okay, there's
I'm
context.
pretty distracted with trying to find a car to race on the street. But while I'm shopping for new cars, Sean's got 20
Yeah, Flying red. Crap hit your face.
Pop like a mattress ball.
What?
Sean's got a rematch with Doc coming up this week. I'm sure that Doc and Monster.
Look at the mess you're making on that table. It's all gushy.
Wait, Mom, look at my hands.
You see, are they turning red now?
They're drying and cracking.
Oh no, it's just turning white from the
the
glue.
Introduced the Shark Pool. Fierce competition that
Yeah,
shakes
so
up
it's like
It's just the texture and it could be the black stuff. Just don't get it on my
Your black thing,
yeah.
which you already did.
Well, I don't want to leave it floating on.
We're gonna stay on the starting line with you, Doug.
Okay, we're gonna start one stinking stretch out. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh.
Hey, what's up, dude? What's going on? You remember that guy with the red Camaro? Yeah, I'm sick of that guy. We raced this guy Mike a couple years ago in his red Camaro. Is the car fast? It gets down the road pretty nice. Okay. We fished him with the dung beetle, and we thought it would be an easy $100. Turns out he was a little bit faster than I thought he was in his store-bought Camaro.
And since then, he's taken his one win way too far.
He got to the very end, fair and square. He's running it in. He's rolling around town. And he's got his license.
See what it does when I make. See if I can make a hamper. No, it doesn't. Just has the direction when I push down to it. Where I go.
We know what we got to do. Yeah, we got work to do. We do. And I work hard back here.
Yeah, it's super easy to make. You can go to Michael's today, get it, and make your own until 3.
He thinks it's just going to be a friendly little gentleman's bet. And once we get him out
Funny
there,
snack.
we'll take that plate and we'll knock
And
it out.
who needs slime? You got a big bottle of slime.
Let's work on the dump
This
beetle
bag is
today,
gonna
'cause I got
have
an upgrade
this
that
full
I
of slime.
can help with, and I'm going to help you. Well, it's all smack talking. This
Tiny
so-called
piece.
bug killer is doing.
That's a
Give
lot
him a chance.
of
So we
peers
got
that
a few friends to help us out, and all we need to do now is wait
Put
for him
down
to get
there.
here. This guy's going to learn the fear of the dung beetle. Come on, Susie Lou.
I made a hole. I made a hole for it. See guys, look at this, bro.
That's something. I'm number one again. It's been a while. It's hard to been trying. Cloud 9. It was just perfect night. This past weekend, I achieved something several years in the making. Got my shot at Oklahoma for the #1 spot.
Okay, better stop there.
I beat him by a muscle.
It's so good. You really do anything with it. Here's one.
Monza at number 3. I want him to put Murder Nova down one more peg so me and Monza can rule the list of 1 and 2. But the Reaper's already got a call out on Monza. So I need to help Monza get his car running straight so he can beat the Reaper and take on Sean this weekend. Rough one put that engine in. I mean, I didn't have as much
Kanye West doesn't have no swag.
bar as you.
Everybody else in the world does. Comment down below if you played it. Watch Dogs 2, because I love that game.
Suspension issues with self-inflicted. They changed when I put the motor in.
I can't break with my finger. Come on, for God dang it. Chop.
Adjusting the suspension on our cars is an art. Too loose,
Can I bite it?
tire shake, end up all over the place. Too tight, you blow the tires up in smoke, you go nowhere, both of them loses races. It's a balancing act, and we're always adjusting depending on the road. I feel like you and me are a better team than any of the others out there. The Chief and Sean team is mainly, it's just Chief.
Look at this. Okay, red thing. Oh yeah, my mom was kind of crazy. She put it onto a freaking paper towel and it got stuck there, so she had to peel all the stuff off, but
See how there's
we still got some good amount. See, look at this is all the honey we had left. And that, I mean, it's falling apart because of what I'm doing to it. See, look at the little tiny brain on top, the thing attached to this neck that's being ripped apart by my finger. Thank you. Oh, it actually looks like pig and guts. Comment down below, does this look like pig and guts? Or is it like a brain and stuff? This is cool. And yeah, guys, I will get a fidget spinner someday, and then play with that for you guys. And then I'll just probably do some things with it. I don't know. I'll just have fun with it and do, and get very addicted to it because it is really addictive. And yeah, I love with my brain. It's gonna smash on that. Ew. I was looking at like this, where it was like this. Oh my God, it's a brain on the bottom. Oh, I broke the brain.
Yeah, let's do it. The advantage of having a two-step on the car is so that
Oh, this spray against your hair does not do well.
while maintaining an RPM.
Don't try to sit home. Do not put this on your hair or eat it.
This will make us more consistent, more reliable,
Is it gonna
and
come
give us
off?
maximum power just before we leave the line. This will substantially lower our time to make the line. They're almost done.
Ah, it did. Okay, guys.
Smack talking
Way too.
so-called bug killer.
Way too much slime. Way too much blood and guts for that. Okay, guys.
That's it. That's it. I think we're ready to roll.
Let's fire this thing up.
All right, with Mel. Okay. See you, Mel.
Okay, guys. See you in the next video. Peace.